Introducing the Onlysay head-up display, revolutionizing the Tesla driving experience with cutting-edge technology at your fingertips. Seamlessly integrate your digital life into your drive with wireless connectivity, bringing convenience to your Tesla's cockpit.
Installation is a breeze, with a user-friendly control panel that integrates seamlessly with your Tesla's aesthetic.
Experience the open road with enhanced clarity, as the Onlysay display provides vital information without diverting your eyes. Keep your focus where it matters most, on the road ahead, while the Onlysay display enhances your driving safety. Adjust to your driving style with ease, as the Onlysay display responds intuitively to your speed and control inputs. Let's dive into the simplicity of use, as we guide you through the intuitive features of the Onlysay display. Even in the darkest tunnels, the Onlysay display shines through, offering visibility that complements your Tesla's capabilities. Accessibility at its finest, control your Onlysay display remotely, adding a layer of convenience to your daily commute. The Onlysay display, a tech-savvy companion for the modern Tesla driver, integrates with your vehicle's digital ecosystem. The sophistication of the Onlysay display is matched only by its ease of use, a perfect fit for your Tesla's interior. On the highway, the Onlysay display's performance shines, providing real-time information with unmatched efficiency. With the Onlysay display, your journey in a Tesla becomes a symphony of focused driving and heightened road awareness. Feel the driving dynamics at your command, as the Onlysay display responds to every speed control with gas efficiency in mind. Join us for an interactive tutorial, where we explore the ease of using the Onlysay display, a feature that educates as it entertains. The Onlysay display cuts through the darkness, offering a beacon of clarity that enhances your Tesla's ambient light. The convenience of remote functionality means your Onlysay display is accessible even before you step into your Tesla. The Onlysay display's tablet integration syncs perfectly with your Tesla, ensuring every interaction is a seamless experience. The Onlysay display's easy installation and sleek design affirm its compatibility with the Tesla ethos of innovation. As we conclude our journey, the Onlysay head-up display stands out as an advantage for any Tesla driver seeking confidence and experience.